1991, I walked through that door, a young man with dreams and a chalkboard to score. In classrooms of laughter, of lessons and tears, I shared all I knew through those wonderful years. From books and from stories, we built something true. Each question you asked made my purpose shine through. Through decades of teaching, my heart it did grow. But now I'm an old man with memories to show. Oh, students of mine, wherever you roam, carry my lessons, make the world your own. Though I'm alone now with time's gentle plea, in your hearts, dear students, just remember me. The blackboard's now quiet, the desks are all still. The echoes of your voices, my heart, they still fill. From algebra's puzzles to poems we read, I planted the seeds for the lives you now lead. I think of your faces, so bright and so kind. Each one of you lingers forever in mind. Though years have now passed and I'm old and I'm gray, your smiles are the sunlight that brightens my day. Oh, students of mine, wherever you roam, carry my lessons, make the world your own. Though I'm alone now with time's gentle plea, in your hearts, dear students, just remember me. I'm not in the classroom, no chalk in my hand, but my love for you grows like the waves on the sand. If you think of me softly when stars light the sky, know your old teacher's heart never says goodbye. Oh, students of mine, wherever you roam, carry my lessons, make the world your own. Though I'm alone now with time's gentle plea, in your hearts, dear students, just remember me. Here's to the years from 91 to 23. You were my purpose, my joy, my decree. Though I sit here in quiet, an old man you see, in your hearts, dear students, just remember me. Just remember